walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky! Harvest Hero!
Okay, this is incredibly important. Hi, Finance here, and here. Now I'll rock the world by planting strawberries! Oh yeah, I'm cool. Who's the best? I'm the best.
Bucky? Are you in there? Come on, it's a beautiful day out here.
I'm coming. Oh, I'm just so busy.
Where have you been? I haven't seen you in 3 days now. We have so much stuff to do.
You know it. That's why I don't have time for this. Dude, I have more work than I can handle. It never ever stops and my back kind of hurts a little. Huh? I've got pumpkins to double-click. My strawberries all need deweedification. Oh, come inside, and I can show you my amazing farm. Harvest Hero, level 26. Watch and learn. Tools. Shovel. Go. Beets. Yes. Winning! Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. Yes! Harvest! Isn't that just the greatest?
But it's just not, well, none of it's real.
It's way better than real life. When you hit level 5, you get farmer armor. Then no matter what they stack up against you, you can handle it. It's intense having all this responsibility. I don't have time for all this nonsense. My cauliflower is calling. Level 27, look out.
Strawberry deweedification? Pumpkins aren't supposed to be clicked. Pumpkins are supposed to be picked, which Bucky used to know. Hey, wait a minute. I have a plan.
The very newest game, you say?
It just came out today. It's what they call a virtual reality game.
What does that mean?
It means that the game plays and looks like you're really inside of it. The entire game feels super real and is so virtual, like you can actually eat the strawberries.
Dude, I've got to try this. Why am I not playing it? Come on, when am I gonna get to play? The waiting is too much.
Put this on. Virtual eyeball interface. Finger sockets.
Oh yeah, this is wicked. This is the Game Gear?
Of course it is. And now you can turn around.
Whoa! It's just, I can't believe this is a video game. The graphics are awesome. Let me play. How do you work it? Where's the controller?
Forget about controllers. You've got goggles for a screen. It's got built-in controllers and they're called your hands. You walk toward an object and just try and interact with it. Just like reality. The virtual baskets are right over there.
It had a real taste, a yummy one. This game is fantastic. All right, let's do this. Come on, game, let's see if you can keep up with me. Whoa!
That was fun, right? And you just wanted to sit home double-clicking all day.
Well, who knew you had such an awesome game? Though I wish the reality of my achy sore back was only virtual.
Maybe if you keep coming outside and playing my game, you'll master it. And then it won't hurt so much.
Thank you so much, Bjorn. Good times. don't forget to hit save. I don't want to lose my progress. I'm going inside to get a little high-quality time in standby mode. That's gamer talk for a nap. An actual real nap in my real bed.
Old-fashioned food. The master chef at work. His ancient secret recipe is a nutritious roadmap to Yummy Town. Oh, here already?
Bwong, 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 bwong.
Hi there, come on in.
Hey! Am I early, Bjorn?
Not at all, Buck. It's almost ready.
What did you make? Well, pie?
Well, it isn't pie, no.
Then what? Cake?
Not cake, no sir. Wait and see.
Is it cupcakes then?
It's not cupcakes.
It's ice cream.
Wrong again.
Well, then what? Are we even really going to have something?
Behold! Smells so good, right? This is our ancient northern recipe.
What's this stuff? Soup?
Yeah. Wise bears teach us to eat lots of food that's nutritious before the start of winter. And this soup has lots of yummy things. Mushrooms, cabbage, and carrots.
Just stop! You said this wouldn't be some old dull lunch. You promised a feast.
This is a feast where I'm from. We call it Grand Poobah Chowder. I opened a can of really special spongy mushrooms for it.
Thanks a lot, Bjorn. But soup doesn't sound that good to me. I'd rather just stick with my yummy chips here. I'm not that hungry.
If you're not really hungry, why do you keep eating all those chips then? They're bad for you. Remember, when summer's over, there won't be anything like this soup.
I sleep all winter long, so summer's never over for me. And these chips just couldn't be bad. They're so great. And no cooking required.
But the way we did it, back up north...
Up north we did this and we did that. Your ways are so old-fashioned up north with your fungus weed soup or whatever. But this is modern food. It was made in a factory with machines and smart technology.
Well, if you don't like the kind of food that I make, then the next time you can cook.
Come on, Bjorn. Don't be upset. Hey, listen, I'll make something that's delicious for you. So good your taste buds will explode! Genius time! I'll invent a recipe that's totally new. It'll be foodtastic! Behold! Nah, not good enough yet. What else could I use? Gotta use gummy bears! Nice! Looks so yummy! Oh, I love hot dogs too. Ooh, and meringue! Chocolate, of course. Burgers! Wait, wiener burgers! Gingerbread! Cookies, yeah! Now lots of mayonnaise on top. Ice cream! And cupcakes! It's so beautiful! Super McDuper! Now that is what I call a real feast! I better get Bjorn over here before the ice cream melts. Bjorn, you are going to flip. Prepare yourself. You are about to be truly amazed!
Oh, wow! Cool sculpture, Bucky.
It isn't a sculpture at all. It's a super McDuper dish that I invented.
It sure is taller than your regular food.
It had to be big enough to fit all the flavor. Now then, board the train to Yummy Town.
Eat that stuff? You really serious?
Trust me, you're gonna be begging for seconds, thirds, tenths.
Ew, disgusting.
What? Disgusting? Impossible.
Gross, right? You don't look so good, Buck. You all right over there?
I'm just fine. I've never had yummier food. It's really nutritious as well.
Bucky, junk food avalanche! Bucky, run!
No, my beautiful recipe! Lost, gone forever, the food-manity. Why? And I just realized I'm starving.
It's all right, Bucky. We'll clean the whole mess up. And when we're done, you can reconstruct your dish. Your modern and high-tech, disgusting, horrible, awful dish.
Bjorn, know what? let's head to your house. You've got some soup left over there still, right?
Make yourself right at home. There. Try not to lick the paint off the bowl.
Yeah, Grand Poobah chowder.
They should call it Bucky's Bottomless Belly Bisque. That is literally your 10th helping.
Can I have 11ths?
Please.
The best reminder. Howdy. Yeah.
Good afternoon, Bucky.
What in the world is this? A doorbell or something?
It's a reminder, not a doorbell. You remember how we made plans to go fishing early tomorrow morning? Well, I tied a bunch of knots to remind myself to remember not to forget. It's something we always did up north. Okay, it's not supposed to do that.
That system sounds unreliable. Never fear. I'm going to invent a reliable mechanical reminder system. We'll remember everything!
Great, but Bucky, please, just remember not to forget our trip.
Time to get my genius on! Eureka! Lunchtime! Time to clean! Time to work out! Fishing trip! It works! Awesome! All right, yeah!
I am one with nature. I am a peaceful bear. A peaceful, peaceful bear. Growl.
Whoa! It's so great! Yay! I've done it! Bjorny, prepare to be amazed! My Remind-O-Matic works great! Here, let me show you! Are you excited? Because you absolutely should be! Watch this! I'll have the Remind-O-Matic remind Chicky that it's time to eat lunch! It's so user-friendly that even a bird brain can understand it. You may want to sit down. This is going to be very exciting! Wow, Chicky must have been really hungry. Ta-da! Isn't my Remind-O-Matic amazing? I'll never ever forget anything now. What is next on my schedule? Aha! Time for tea time. Thanks, Remind-O-Matic. Being a genius rocks!
Ah, there Bucky goes again.
It's so very tea time. Oh, goodness! It's time for cleaning! Long time since I cleaned up. What? What now? Huh? Ah, it's garden time! Wash! Huh? Iron! Huh? Time to cook! Time to snap! Time to hoe! Workout time! Play outside! Don't forget, eat! Wash up! Weed the garden! Sleep! Watch Bear Ball! Eat! Never forget! Eat! Clean! Sleep! Exercise! All the things! Remember all the things! All the things! Dream! Drool! Snore! Huh? Yeah! It's time to what? I thought it was time to sleep. What? Huh? Oh, that's right. It's time for me to turn over. Quiet! I can remember to dream on my own. I can't remember why I built you in the first place. I'm done. Remind me to throw you away. Ugh. Just stop that. Remind me to forget you. Good riddance. Now what was I gonna do?
Good morning. This reminded me to tell you that it's time to head to the fishing hole. Hey, whatever became of your Remind-O-Tronic thing, huh?
Trust me on this one. We're better off forgetting all about that silly thing. But those reminder knots of yours really are a clever idea.
Know what, Bucky?
What?
The most important reminders aren't here, you see. They're down here.
Well, I'll certainly never forget my best friend. So, have those reminder knots ever woken you up in the middle of the night?